welcome back to my channel. Today, we're here in Japan to experience the beautiful art of skiing here in Hokkaido in northern Japan. So, let's get skiing! Guys, here in Hokkaido, north of Japan, it's really well known for its beautiful powder, especially in winter. And you might be thinking, well, we just use these old-fashioned thin skis for everything, right? Well, no. We also have these big fatty skis that we use in powder because these skis that we usually use are really thin, and here it's more thick. What's the difference? Well, here it's much thicker, much longer, and up here, guys, you can see up here all the way up there's more of a curve, so that it can help us move around into the powder much better. And the reason why they're bigger is to be able to have more contact with the snow, to be able to again have more control. And the reason why we don't use these is for two reasons. First, we don't want to carve in powdered snow. Because here, usually in ski, we want to use carving. When we go up a ledge, when we go up downhill skiing, we want to carve up the hill, up the mountain, to be able to get more control and turn better. So that's why we have like these sharp edges that you can see here. And here we don't have those, because here you're not supposed to carve in powder snow. So here it's meant for carving, and also it's thinner because we want to have them longer and thinner to go faster, because we use these kind of skis in like competitions, Olympics and all. This is more for powder, and this is more for normal skiing. So without further ado, let's gear up. So now that we've geared up, guys, let's get to skiing. So here, guys, we're in Hokkaido in north of Japan, and we can see that it's really nice because we can see this nature, this nice snow. The reason why, guys, we're here in Hokkaido of north of Japan is because in February and in January, in the winter basically, it's really well known because it has very nice powdered snow. That's why we came here. And it can go all the way to negative 25 degrees. But we thought that there was going to be powder today, but not really. And now here we've arrived at the piece which is called Silky Way, and it's maybe more technical, maybe more complicated, but it was way worth it. So let's get right in. amazing fresh ride, guys.
Arigato. Good job.
That's why, guys, we come here to Hokkaido in northern Japan. And that's why everyone wants to come here, because you can see that there's so much powdered snow. And especially for being the last days of March, it's really rare, really extraordinary to be able to have this beautiful snow. So, let's go skiing and take our advantage of this. Let's go. Guys, for today's amazing and fabulous skiing day here at Hokkaido in northern Japan. So I'll see you next time. Oh, and just before that, please remember to subscribe and like this video. It would help me a lot. Bye!